10 Best Places to Visit in Australia. Australia, known for its breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and vibrant cities, is a dream destination for travelers worldwide. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the awe-inspiring Uluru, this vast and diverse continent offers a wealth of experiences. Here are the top 10 places to visit in Australia that will leave you in awe of its natural beauty and cultural richness. Number 1. Sydney. The largest and most iconic city in Australia, captivates visitors with its stunning blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication. Nestled around the world-famous Sydney Harbour, this vibrant metropolis boasts a skyline dominated by the iconic Sydney Opera House and the imposing Sydney Harbour Bridge. Sydney's cultural scene thrives with world-class museums, galleries, and theatres, making it a hub for arts and entertainment. Whether you're exploring the historic Rocks District, enjoying the tranquil Royal Botanic Garden, or dining at the bustling Circular Quay, Sydney offers an unforgettable fusion of culture, history, and natural splendor. Number 2. Great Barrier Reef. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as one of the world's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. Located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, this vast coral ecosystem stretches over 2,300 kilometers, 1,430 miles, and comprises thousands of individual reefs and islands. Beneath its crystal-clear waters lies a mesmerizing underwater world, teeming with a kaleidoscope of coral formations and a breathtaking array of marine life. Snorkelers and divers from around the globe flock to the reef to witness the vibrant colors of its corals and encounter species such as tropical fish, sharks, turtles, and dolphins. With its remarkable beauty and ecological significance, the Great Barrier Reef is a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers, promising an unforgettable journey into the heart of the world's largest living structure. Number 3. Uluru Kata National Park. Nestled in the heart of Australia's Red Centre, Uluru Kata National Park is a place of profound cultural and natural significance. At its core stands Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, an imposing sandstone monolith that seems to rise mysteriously from the vast desert landscape. This sacred site holds deep spiritual meaning for the Ananga people, the traditional owners of the land, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors to the park are not only awed by Uluru's colossal presence but also by the surrounding Kata Tjuta, or the Olgas, a series of striking domed rock formations. These geological wonders offer countless opportunities for exploration, hiking, and connecting with the ancient traditions and stories of the indigenous people. As the sun sets over Uluru, it undergoes a breathtaking transformation, with the rock changing colors from ochre red to vibrant purple and orange. This natural spectacle is a must-see experience for all who journey to this remote desert destination. Number 4. Melbourne. It's Australia's second-largest city, is a captivating blend of culture, creativity, and cosmopolitan living. Situated in the southeastern state of Victoria, Melbourne has earned a reputation as the country's cultural and artistic hub, making it a top destination for travelers seeking a diverse and vibrant urban experience. Melbourne's natural beauty is on full display in its parks and gardens, including the Royal Botanic Gardens and the nearby Dandenong Ranges. For those seeking a beach escape, the picturesque bayside suburbs like Street Kilda and Brighton provide coastal charm just a stone's throw from the city centre. In summary, Melbourne's dynamic blend of arts, culture, sports, and culinary delights makes it a captivating destination for travelers. Whether you're exploring its hidden laneways, attending a cultural event, or savoring international flavors, Melbourne invites you to immerse yourself in its unique and ever-evolving urban tapestry. Number 5. The Whitsundays. It is a tropical paradise located in the heart of Australia's Great Barrier Reef, is a dream destination for travelers seeking sun, sand, and crystal-clear waters. This group of 74 idyllic islands, set off the coast of Queensland, offers a stunning backdrop of white sand beaches, lush rainforests, and some of the world's most picturesque coral reefs. The Whitsundays are best known for their breathtaking beaches, including the famous Whitehaven Beach, with its pure silica sand that feels like powder beneath your feet. These pristine shores invite you to relax, swim, and soak up the sun. For the adventurous, snorkeling and diving opportunities abound, providing a chance to explore vibrant underwater ecosystems and encounter colorful marine life. Hamilton Island, the largest inhabited island in the Whitsundays, is a hub of activity with a range of accommodation options, restaurants, and attractions. Airlie Beach, the mainland gateway to the islands, offers a lively atmosphere and serves as a launching point for tours and excursions. For those seeking a romantic getaway or a taste of luxury, the Whitsundays boast world-class resorts, providing the perfect setting for relaxation and indulgence. Number 6. Kakadu National Park. It is situated in the Northern Territory of Australia, is a sprawling and ecologically diverse wilderness that offers a unique window into the country's natural and cultural heritage. This UNESCO World Heritage listed park covers a vast expanse of over 19,800 square kilometers, 7,646 square miles, making it one of the largest national parks in the world. Visitors have the opportunity to explore rock art sites that date back thousands of years, offering a profound glimpse into the spiritual and cultural life of the indigenous people who have called this land home for generations. Kakadu's diverse ecosystems encompass everything from lush wetlands and savanna woodlands to rugged escarpments and waterfalls. The park is renowned for its stunning billabongs and wetlands, such as Yellow Water, where you can take a cruise and observe a dazzling array of birdlife, including saltwater crocodiles. Number 7. The Great Ocean Road. It is a meandering ribbon of coastal highway in southeastern Australia, is a true marvel of nature and engineering. This iconic 243-kilometer, 151-mile stretch of road hugs the dramatic cliffs and windswept shores of the Southern Ocean, offering travelers an enchanting journey through some of Australia's most captivating landscapes. As you navigate this scenic route, you'll be greeted by breathtaking vistas of rugged sea stacks, towering limestone formations, and pristine sandy beaches. The famous 12 Apostles, though fewer in number today, still stand as sentinels in the wild waters, and nearby attractions like Lockhart Gorge and London Arch reveal tales of shipwrecks and geological wonders. The Great Ocean Road is not just a road trip, it's an immersive experience in nature's grandeur, with opportunities to explore lush rainforests, encounter native wildlife, and savor the coastal charm of charming towns along the way. Number 8. Tasmania. It is often referred to as the Apple Isle, is a captivating jewel in the southern seas of Australia. This island state, located just off the southeastern coast of the mainland, boasts a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Its landscapes are a symphony of contrasts, with rugged mountains, ancient rainforests, serene lakes, and pristine beaches all within a stone's throw of each other. Tasmania's history is equally as fascinating, with well-preserved historic sites like Port Arthur, a former penal colony that offers a poignant glimpse into Australia's colonial past. The capital city, Hobart, with its charming blend of maritime heritage and contemporary culture, hosts vibrant markets at Salamanca Place and the thought-provoking Mona, Museum of Old and New Art. Number 9. The Kimberley. It is an untamed wilderness in the far northwestern corner of Australia, is a land of raw beauty and ancient secrets. This vast and remote region is a treasure trove of dramatic gorges, rugged landscapes, and pristine coastlines. Its unique charm lies in its isolation and the sense of exploration it invokes. The striking orange and black-striped domes of the Bungle Bungle Range and Pernulula National Park are a testament to millions of years of geological history, while the horizontal falls in Talbot Bay leave visitors in awe of nature's power. The Mitchell Plateau offers lush rainforests and stunning waterfalls, and the indigenous culture of the region, deeply rooted in ancient traditions, adds a layer of richness and depth to the Kimberley experience. This is a land where adventure beckons, where the wilderness is your companion, and where the stories of the land and its people are etched into every rugged landscape, making the Kimberley a destination like no other. Number 10. Adelaide. The capital city of South Australia, exudes a unique blend of cosmopolitan charm and relaxed coastal living. Nestled on the southern coast of Australia, it is celebrated for its rich cultural scene, pristine beaches, and exceptional culinary offerings. The city's cultural heartbeat pulses with world-class institutions like the Art Gallery of South Australia and the South Australian Museum, while its lively festivals, including the Adelaide Festival and Adelaide Fringe Festival, infuse the city with artistic vibrancy. Culinary enthusiasts will revel in the Central Market's gourmet treasures and the wine regions of the Barossa Valley and McLaren Vale. Nature lovers can explore the nearby Adelaide Hills, a haven of lush forests and picturesque villages, or unwind on the sandy shores of Glenelg Beach. Adelaide's friendly ambience, historical sites, and thriving arts scene make it a delightful destination for travelers seeking a perfect blend of culture, coastal beauty, and culinary delights. Australia's diverse landscapes and cultural offerings make it a destination like no other. Whether you seek adventure in the outback, relaxation on pristine beaches, or a taste of vibrant city life, Australia has something for every traveler. Explore these top 10 places to make unforgettable memories in this captivating land down under.